Now y'all know we keep these coming, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Famous Animal TV. Let's see who we got in this mug today. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, man.
Boy, Famous Animal TV, hottest shit in the streets. When you trying to get your shit in the streets, need you to come holler at me.
Hey.
Boy, I got back in the building with me.
Loud pack, man. Y'all know what the fuck going on, nigga. Gas bag, I ain't get on by, nigga. Long live Flyboy, nigga.
Oh, you got that hot shit for me?
Man, let's go, man.
Let's go.
I ain't swag for this motherfucker.
Oh. Gas bag, I ain't get on by, nigga. Alright. Everything expensive, all the drip that's on me. She got so much ass, come and sit it on me.
Okay.
Like your front row at the fight, diamond hitting on me. Pocket stuff like they gon' bust, I got a 50 on me. Woo! Now that's a whole lot. It's so many whips, look like a whole lot. All these bad bitches, it's a whole lot. You brought a little can, which I brought a whole lot. Alright, whole lot of money needs a mirror, nigga. That little ass bankroll, is you see her, nigga? Red seats in the whip look like a pier, nigga. V12 in that bitch fast and fear, nigga. Oh, whole lot of shots in that motherfucker. I tell them go, then you gon' have to try to duck them. If a nigga ain't my folk, then I don't trust him. Smoke a whole lot of backwoods and I stuff them. Forges of the Rucci, bitch, I'm dripping in that Gucci. Got the cameras all on us, you know we still making moves. Shout out to my fan, really fucking with my music. They be out in the DM like, bro, you raw and some sushi. Whole lot of bags, I get rid of them when I get them. I'm the quarterback, I pass them out to my little niggas. They gon' make the play, then bring it back to me, we winning. I keep stacking that, I'ma have a whole lot in a minute. Niggas, they gon' hate you when you make yourself a ball. You might have to cut a whole lot of niggas off. Whole lot of hundreds on me, nigga, add that up. Count it up and rubber band and duffel bag it up. Nigga, loud pack, everything expensive, all the drip that's on me. Hey, she got so much ass, come and sit it on me. Like your front row at the fight, diamond hitting on me. Pocket stuff like they gon' bust, I got a 50 on me. Woo! Now that's a whole lot. It's so many whips look like a whole lot.
Okay.
All these bad bitches, it's a whole lot. You brought a little can, which I brought a whole lot. Hottest shit in the streets, nigga.
Okay then, that was pretty dope. That was pretty dope. Hey y'all. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna keep these coming, you know what I'm saying? Keep it coming, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it.